Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the PlayStation Portal cloud streaming not showing up. Enable and setup guide. So fix 1, update your PlayStation Portal. So open the settings on your PlayStation Portal and then select system. Now choose system software update and install any available updates and restart the portal after the update is completed. Fix 2, verify your PlayStation Plus premium subscription. So cloud streaming is only available with PlayStation Plus Premium. Then open your PlayStation account settings and now check your current PlayStation Plus plan and make sure your subscription is active and has not expired. Now if you have essential or extra, upgrade to premium. Fix 3, enable cloud streaming beta version. So from the PlayStation Portal home screen, open quick menu, then go to settings. Now select cloud streaming and now turn the feature on. Then return to the home screen and check whether the cloud streaming tab appear. The fix 4, check your account type. So cloud streaming is not available for child accounts. So verify that you are signed in with the adult PlayStation Network account. If you are using a family managed child account, switch to an adult account and restart the portal. Fix 5, confirm cloud streaming is available in your region. So cloud streaming is currently supported only in selected countries and region. So check that your PlayStation account region support PlayStation cloud streaming. If your PSN account is registered in an unsupported region, the cloud streaming option will not appear. The fix 6, sign out and sign back in. So open the settings and then click on user and account. Now sign out of PSN. Then restart the PlayStation portal and sign back in with your PlayStation Plus Premium account. And the fix 7, check your internet connection. So connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, restart your router and modem, avoid public or restricted networks, then move closer to your router if the signal is weak. The fix 8, restart the PlayStation portal. So hold the power button, select restart and wait for the device to reboot completely. Now check if the cloud streaming option is now visible. And the final fix, update the PlayStation support. Contact the PlayStation support. So if cloud streaming still does not appear after completing the solution above, you can contact PlayStation support. They can verify your subscription status, account eligibility and region availability. So goodbye and thanks for watching.